Do you want to learn how to conjugate the verb ir in past, present, and future tense? Well, in this video, Cindy will break down the different conjugations of the verb ir, which means to go in Spanish. So stay tuned, and don't forget to click the link in the description box to check out more free online Spanish classes.
Hola, my name is Cindy Fernandez-Nixon, and we're going to talk about the verb ir, which means to go. So every time we hear the verb to go in Spanish, the way it's conjugated is a little different. So, yo voy a la escuela. Tú vas a la escuela. Ellos van a la escuela. Yo voy means I go. Ir becomes voy. The Spanish pronouns, yo, which is I, tú, which is you, informal, usted, which is you, formal, él o ella, which is he or she, nosotros, which is we, ustedes, which is you, plural, ellos o ellas, which is they, ellos, they, masculine, ellas, they, feminine. So to conjugate the verb ir, yo voy a la casa, tú vas a la casa, él va a la casa, nosotros vamos a la casa, ustedes van a la casa, ellos van a la casa. Now, when we want to say we're going somewhere, we use the preposition a, which essentially means to. So if I say, I'm going to the house, yo voy a la casa. There's something interesting that happens because a, él, we can also combine it and it becomes al. Yo voy al baño. A la, it remains a la. Yo voy a la casa. Now, when we're going to say we're going to do something, which is any type of verb, we don't need an article. We just say a and the verb. So, for example, yo voy a comer. Yo voy a caminar. Those are two examples where you don't need la or el. The verb to go in the future goes from yo voy, present tense, to yo iré. It's a lot closer to the original word ir, but it has different conjugations. Now, if we conjugate the verb to go in the future, yo iré, tú irás, usted irá, él o ella irá, nosotros iremos, ustedes irán, ellos o ellas irán. For example, yo iré a la casa, tú irás a la casa, él irá a la casa, nosotros iremos a la casa, ustedes irán a la casa, y ellos irán a la casa. Now, the way we conjugate the verb to go in the past, el verbo ir in the past, it goes from yo voy, which is present, to yo fui. Conjugating the verb ir in the past, yo fui, tú fuiste, usted fue, él o ella fue, nosotros fuimos, ustedes fueron, ellos o ellas fueron. So, for example, yo fui a la casa, tú fuiste a la casa, él fue a la casa, nosotros fuimos a la casa, ustedes fueron a la casa y ellos fueron a la casa. When it comes to conjugating verbs, you're going to see that there's going to be different groups that have the same ending or the same type of conjugations. For example, the first person, I, it's always going to be alone, yo voy. Tú is going to be alone as well, tú vas. However, you in the formal form is grouped together with él or ella. For example, usted va, él va, ella va. Nosotros is left alone, nosotros vamos. Ustedes is grouped with ellos y ellas. For example, ustedes van, ellos o ellas van.
Hey there! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel to keep updated with more Spanish tutorials.